Good morning friends, once again welcome to the Ayurvedic channel. Today we will know benefits of eating superfoods. Superfoods have the power to fight heart disease, fight cancer, reduce cholesterol and improve your mood. Blueberries, they keep the brain healthy. If you cannot use blueberries, then you can use fresh pulps, raspberries or cranberries. Algae, they do not sound appetizing, but when you read the list of health benefits, you will be forced to think again. They are rich in vitamins, minerals, and amino acid, and are also beneficial in maintaining the natural flora of the esophagus. Cranberries. These red berries contain a natural anti-cancer element called quercetin and are low in sugar. They are also a very good source of vitamin C. Vitamin C is essential for keeping bones healthy and preventing scurvy. For similar to know Ayurvedic information at home, like the video and subscribe to the channel.